Oh, Jennifer, tell me. This is, okay, I have to do the customer. Hello, buddy. Buddy. This is Shannon. Hi. And this is foster mama Jennifer. And this is Buddy. Raphael is, of course, an hour and a half late. So they've had plenty of time to meet. And apparently, Buddy is no longer interested in Jennifer whatsoever. Because he is with his Shannon now. Buddy, do you mind? You have not even paid attention to me. I get your buffer brought the blankie that Buddy Love is only allowed to chew on this. That's his blankie, his toys, the bag of goodie. He's like, Buddy, are you excited? Are you excited? Oh my boy. Buddy goes home. We pretend it's the first time he goes in, but it's not, because he has. But he already knows his spot. Buddy, just let me know which door is yours. Oh, he knows his door too. Buddy, are you waiting to go in? And here I am. I'm going in. This is my home.
I'm excited.
Buddy boy, are you looking at your mama right now?
Hi.
What is she? Oh.
I just put
Kiss.
lip gloss on your
Oh,
he
you just got. He likes the lip gloss. He just licked his mouth. Okay, Shannon, I got the table. Let's get some kisses here. Let's get some kisses going. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's. Oh, Shannon and Buddy, paperwork is done. Buddy has a home. No.
I remember you. I don't call you order. No, it's good.
Are you happy, Buddy? Are you happy?
You're gonna go on all the trails with me, okay?
He's like, I'll just give you kisses.
Yeah.
Aww.
They, do you remember?
Do you remember it, Bud?
He's like, what? Why'd you throw it like that?
He's like, I was totally fine over there.
You, is he not interested?